Look at these views, y'all. Look at this. Beautiful. I want to show y'all real quick because it can be confusing if you're like me and you're not paying attention because you're taking pictures and stuff. But so you hike through this way here, and then it kind of makes this little winding staircase kind of thing. So you have to turn here because if you try to go there, it's going to be too rocky and too steep, and you're going to get into a world of trouble there. So it looks like it's more of a rocky top path down through there. So I'm going to flip the camera around though and show y'all some more views. Look at that. And then there's a little bridge here. Again, it's a little muddy. You got to be careful. But look at these views. Look at this. And then there's down there. Alright, and then there's some views of a little creek there to my left. And then you just got this big, huge, mountain up here to my right that we're on here, see? And then we're just basically hiking down. Now, let's see. Yeah, okay. I'm trying to figure out. I think we go this way. There's a blaze here. Yeah, red blazes. So again, it's kind of like a staircase. And then you got this little narrow bridge here. There. Look at that. I guess you could hike up there if you wanted to, but I wouldn't recommend that. Holy moly. Look at that. At this. This is what we got to go down into, y'all. Is this not cool or what? Let me, oh shit. Dang it. And I almost took a plunge there. Okay. So really careful. Don't get cocky on these trails and thinking you're Superman or Superwoman, because it is definitely challenging. Ooh, steep. But we don't have to go up that. At least not today, we don't. Okay, and see, we're winding down here. There's just some little steps through here. And then here's some more views here. Wow, look at that, y'all. And then this little walk here is not too bad through here. But I will say, this is a pretty rough trail, for sure. I've had to stop and start just to kind of get my footing so that I could get down and record again. But it is really, really pretty. Look at this. See? All the little rocks and things. Really pretty, y'all. Really, really pretty. Yeah, this is... Ooh, hold on. Let me find my footing here. Hold on. Because that rock is not going to cut it. Okay, maybe we step here and then step here. Yeah, okay. Us older hikers have to kind of check our footing before we go down. We don't just distrust any rock to get us down there. But look at this path. This is probably one, if not the most challenging hikes I've been on. Probably ever. I don't think I've been on any other ones that have been this challenging. Lots of little stairs though, little steps that help you get down, kind of help you find your way to navigate through here. So that's nice. Now see, this is where we were coming from. We're just hiking down this way. We came from up there, but you can't really tell because the path is kind of, whoa, dispersed in between. But now we're going this way. Now we're coming up on a bunch of rocks. You really look at this. Pretty though, y'all. Pretty. But we're still not there yet. Still not there yet. And some more steps going down. Going down, going down, going down. Okay. Whew. See, we've still been hiking down and around and coming this way. Got a little stream now. It's pretty. More little views here. There's some more beautiful rock formations here to my right. There's what it looks like on my left there. Oh, we're still not there yet. I can't remember how long this trail is. It might be 2 miles. I don't know. I can't, honestly, I can't remember. I think the longest one here is like 4.5. And I wanted to do it too, but I don't know if I'm going to have time. It really just depends on the rain, because I'm really surprised that it's not raining now, because it was in the forecast to already be here. So I don't know, it might come later tonight while I'm camping. But look at this, beautiful. Ooh, it's got there. Wow, look at that, y'all. This is, oh, that must be where we hiked down from. Wow. Wow. These hiking trails are on a mountain, so to hike down. Wow. That in. Get as much in my hand as we can. Yeah, we gotta go up. We gotta go up these right here, up these steps here. And I believe that we are close to being here. I just don't know. I probably don't want to go that way. I probably want to stay right here, I would imagine. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then go right over here. Oh, right, go up here. And let's see. I hear the birds. Oh. A little spot here. That's nice. That's pretty. There. Now we're getting back on the rough spot. Rough terrain here. I do hear some more water. Honestly, wasn't expecting it to be quite this challenging. I knew, you know, they always, a lot of trails I've been on have said, you know, they're challenging, but, you know, they're not always, that's not always the case. And so I don't always, you know, I just kind of take that for face value. But they're not lying. And this trail is definitely not for the faint at heart, for sure. Okay, so now we've got a little clearing here before my GoPro dies and I have to change my battery. But now we're back on this nice little smooth terrain here. So, wow. And then see, it's kind of a mess through here trying to navigate. So, okay, so maybe I am going right. We've just got to get over all of these rocks. Goodness gracious. Alright, so I just passed a couple of people and I am going the right way. It just is really, really rough, y'all. So, but should be almost there. I'm sorry if this footage ain't looking too good because I'm really trying to watch where I step. Definitely. See, there's still a lot of rocks and a lot of steepness to it too. These views are really pretty. Really, really pretty.